Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Xfinity app not working step by step. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is network related. Then, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the Xfinity app, swipe it away, completely closing it, wait for a few while and then reopen it. Temporary glitches or bugs can often cause the app to stop working properly. Then, restart your phone to refresh the system processes and clear background issues that may be affecting the app. Then, head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for Xfinity and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version from the Play Store or the App Store, as updates usually fix bugs and improve performance. If you're using Android, go to Settings, Apps, Xfinity, tap on Storage and clear Cache to remove temporary files. If the problem continues, uninstall and reinstall the Xfinity app. Reinstall the app to remove any corrupted data and install a fresh version. If nothing works, the issue may be from Xfinity server, so wait a while and try again. If this video helped you, do not forget to like and subscribe.